Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me LG Q70 device, and now I'm gonna show you secret codes for this device. So the first code is to enabling the testing mode. So to enable testing mode, just enter *# 4636 #*#*. Okay, now we are in test mode. So here you can check your phone information and usage statistic. In this mode, you can check how much time was spent in any of the applications. For example, 39 minutes in PUBG Mobile, 30 minutes in Call of Duty, 7 minutes in YouTube, and all the other in the other applications. You can sort it by using time, by launch count, how much times application was launching. For example, home application, as you can see, and app last time used, usage time. Okay, and of course you can sort it by app name. So great. The next secret code is calendar events. To see all calendar events, just write *#225 #*#*. And here you will see all your calendar events. I haven't connected my Google account, so I have no events here. And the next code is FCM diagnostic. So *#426 #*#. Okay. And here, as you can see, I have my FCM diagnostic. I can open all diagnostic. Here in the right top corner, I can enable advanced view. And here I can diagnostic all my Google account errors. So, of course, *#06# is the code to check your email. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.